This house will completely blow your mind.
Today we are in Kilimani, one of Nairobi's most vibrant and sought-after neighborhoods. From the air, you can see a perfect blend of modern living and urban convenience. But nestled in the heart of it all lies something truly special. A 3-bedroom all-ensuite, smart condo with a DSQ designed for those who demand both elegance and innovation. This is not just a home, it is a statement. And at just 23 million shillings, it could be yours. This is your living area, a space that reflects both elegance and luxury. It is a well-spaced and well-lit. You get a minimal gypsum ceiling with strip lights and a very beautiful chandelier at the center, which make the space more lively and warm. From what we have seen so far, the staging is perfect and the finishes have been done to perfection. This apartment unit is perfect for large family. The living area is big enough for relaxing and entertaining. You also get an attached functional balcony to your living room. How perfect is that? On the other side, you get a spacious secluded dining area. It is also staged perfectly. This space is big enough for a 6 to 8 seater dining set, perfect for a big family. Something else to note is that the developer took their time to create a spacious and a functional kitchen. This is often rare to find in most of the upcoming units. You get enough cabinetry, well done worktops, and space for all your kitchen appliances. The kitchen also comes with a nicely done pantry. All your storage needs are well taken care of. Next to that, you have your laundry or utility area that is linked to the servant quarter. From your living space, you get a well-done common area that is ideal for visitors. It's okay. This is the master bedroom. It is indeed a masterpiece. From the entry foyer, you get a nice console area to do a dresser or a makeup desk. Next to it is a cozy master washroom with a shower cubicle, double vanity, and a bathtub. The bedroom space is magnificent, from the wall panel backlights to the chandelier and the entire finishes. You also get a nicely done TV wall with storage provision for your valuables. Beneath is a modern humidifier that lights up to give the bedroom a relaxing feel. The master bedroom also comes with an attached balcony for relaxing. This is the second bedroom. It is also done excellently with a beautiful chandelier, and something else to note is that all the rooms come with remote controlled curtain that I will show you shortly. This apartment also comes with multiple amenities. In case you want to know more, you can call or WhatsApp the number on description. Now, let us view the final bedroom. It is also en suite. The bathroom is well fitted and functional. I love the way the developer did the wall backlights, and as I had told you before, the curtains are remote controlled. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.